Baby's Hathaway Topper, Rustic Coffee by Baby Relax is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Add simple rustic charm to your nursery with the Baby Relax Hathaway Topper. Crafted with a non-toxic rustic coffee finish, this farmhouse chic topper is designed to safely secure to the Baby Relax Hathaway 3-drawer dresser, sold separately, to create a convenient changing station. Combine the Baby Relax Hathaway topper with the rest of the Baby Relax Hathaway collection to bring a modern, rustic and farmhouse chic feel to your nursery. Farmhouse chic inspired changing topper. Non-toxic rustic coffee finish. Securely fastens to the top of the Baby Relax Hathaway 3-drawer dresser, sold separately. Accommodates a standard size changing pad, sold separately. Get the complete farmhouse chic look by combining the Hathaway topper with the rest of the Baby Relax Hathaway collection.